ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्म विद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्म विद्वरम्। ओम सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शंकरं लोकशंकरम्। ओम नमो भगवते श्रीरमणाय। हरि ओम। We have completed 10 chapters of Ramana Gita. 10 chapters we have completed so far. In the 11th chapter, one second. Okay. So in 11th chapter, we are going to see the harmony between knowledge and siddhis. Harmony between knowledge and siddhis. So that is a chapter. So what we said, now the beautiful echo welcome. In this chapter, Ekadashodhyayah, अतः ज्ञान सिद्धि सामरस्य प्रतिपादक अयम् अध्यायः प्रारभते. ज्ञानस्य प्लस सिद्धेः. Now, can jnanam and siddhis go together? That is a topic to be discussed. Siddhis are plenty. In Vibhuti-padam of Patanjali Yoga Mahasutras, so many siddhis are pointed out. But all of them warn that not to get caught up. But in the case of a fully blossomed jnani and siddhis, do they go together or not? If at all they can be harmonized, in what way they can be harmonized? That's the topic discussed. Before that, in this chapter, the Bhashyakara, Kapala Shastriya, the text was written by Ganapati Munu Shastri, Kavyakanta Ganapati Muni. He wrote only Sanskrit slokas. But this chapter, Kapala Shastriya wrote in praise. He praises first Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi. In a couple of slokas, he praises Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi. So that we will see first. So he says, Shodashe divase ratrau vivikte muni sattamam gurum brahmavidam sreshtham Nityam Atmani Samstitham Upagamya Mahabhagam Soham Kaitavamanavam Ramanam Stutavanasmi Durlabham Jnanalabdhaye. Now, see, in the previous chapter, it was concluded, it was discussed on, it was said 15th August 1917. The date was recorded there. Now here it says, Pragukta eva abdhe masicha shodashe divase. On the 16th day of previous month of the previous chapter. So previous month meaning the previous chapter, on 10th chapter, it was discussed on August 15th. So this is on what? 16th. So the next day. So Pragukta eva abdhe masicha shodashe divase. 16th August, like what it was said in the same month of last chapter, month of the last chapter. Vivikte means Vijane. Vijane means there was nobody. Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi was alone seated. That is a golden opportunity to find a guru without any Kumbh Mela around him. That's a great opportunity. Not easy. Ek baar Prabhu Sukhu Asina, Sri Ramagita. Tab Lakshman ji pakad liya. Oh, this is the time for me to clear my doubts. हर भीड़ भाड़ में युद्ध करते रहो. Gurudev used to joke, one of the yajnas I had. When Guru was going with the lota in the hand in the morning, Shishya ran from behind and asked, "Oh Guru, what is Atman?" The Guru poured that lota of water on his head. So conducive time. Once I gave my Rudraksha Mala to get initiated by Gurudev. First time is, so he was sitting alone. But after the yajna, Gurudev came. So I ran behind my car on the scooter. So Gurudev alone. So the host went inside, president of the Chinmaya Missions. So Gurudev sat alone. Beautiful. Nobody was there. He took a newspaper. He was reading newspaper like this. I was sitting exactly at this feet. Right side. I always sit to the right side, at the feet. So I said, Gurudev, he was reading paper, no? So Gurudev, one hand folded, newspaper, right hand. I asked him. When he asked me, I gave my Rudraksha Mala to get initiated. He took it. Now don't give me, my mind is somewhere else, he said. Give it to me later. And give it back. So next day after Gurudev's Pada Puja in one house, then I got that mala again initiated. The same mala which I am wearing now. In 87, I think. So we should find out, Gurudev, we want to ask anything, Ekant. Vijane, Ekanta, we should be free also. We should not be occupied. So this our Kapala Shastriya, he found Ramana Maharshi alone one day. Vijane, Vivikte, Vijane, Munisattamam, Rishishreshtham. Who is Ramana Maharshi? Rishishrestha. Shrestha Rishi, best among the Rishis. Who are the Rishis? Rishayaha Mantra Drashtaraha. Rishayaha Mantra Drashtaraha. They are the ones who saw mantras. That's why Vedas were revealed into the mantra. They are not written. They are apaurusheyam. So therefore, Rishishreshtam Gurum Mama Acharyam. Mama Acharyam, my Guru he is, my teacher he is. Who is saying? Kapala Shastri wrote. He is writing this commentary, no? Mama Gurum, Mama Acharyam, Brahmajnaninam Sreshtham. Who is the Sreshta among the Brahmajnanis? The Brahmaharshi. Absolutely established in his own state. Like 24 karat gold. You may say it cannot exist. Similarly, there is no ego there in that. It's a pure existence. Transparent. Absolutely clear. There is nothing inside except that existence. Such a Mahatma. So therefore, Brahmajnaninam Sreshtam. The Sreshta, the best among the knowers of Brahman. Nityam Avichedana Atmani Swarupe Samstitam. Aha. Avichedana means Vichitti means what? Cutting. Sometimes you come out, sometimes you come. No, it's not like that. Avichedena. Permanently, eternally seated only in his self. There is no question of coming out of that state. There is no vichitti, there is no break, there is no the break in the continuity of his self-abidance. That's the meaning. What a state it is. So, avichedena atmaniswarupe samsthitam mahabhagam. Mahabhag, mahaniya bhagadeyam, the great Mahatma. Bhagadeyam. Kaitava manavam veshena manusham. Kaitava manavam means what? One who is my guru, is a Brahmanishta, abiding in his own self, eternally, and who is in the form of a human being. Manushya Deha Dharinam. One who is in the human form. To that Mahatma I went. So, Shodashe Divase Ratrau, in the night, Vivikte Munisattamam Gurum Brahmavidam Sreshtham Veshena Manusham Vastutaha na ayam manavaha iti bhavaha. He is not a human being. Then who is he? That I will tell later. He is not a human being. But he is in the form of a human being. In essence, he is not a human being at all. Then, Skanda Avatara iti Acharyasya Grantha Krito Darshanam. Mama Acharya Kavyakanta Ganapatam. So, in the Granthas, books written by Kavyakanta Ganapatam Shastri, it was clearly mentioned that Ramana Maharshi is an avatara of Sanat Kumara, Skanda Avatara. Skanda means Shanmukha, Kartikeya. You North people cannot understand South language. Skanda, Shanmukha, Subramanya, Murugan, all those things. Velayudhan, Shaktivel, Murugan, Shaktivel, Murugan, Skandaha, Subramanya Swami, Kartikeya, Avataraha, who? Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi. Oh, Skanda Avatara iti Acharyasya Grantha Krito Darshanam. We saw in the Granthas written by our my Guru Ganapati Manu Shastri books, very clearly noted. And how does he know? Because Kavyakanta Ganapati Muni is none other than Ganapati Avatara. He is a Ganapati Avatara. He is a Skanda Avatar. Dono bhai. Therefore, Skanda Avatar is the Acharya Sakrito Darshanam. Ravanam Etanamnam Prasiddham. He has become famous. He is known to the world as Ramana. Ramana Maharshi, Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi. Venkataraman henceforth will be called as Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi, who named Kavyakanta Ganapati Muni Shastri. He said, here afterwards, this Brahmana Swami, he was called as a Brahmana Swami. When he went to Arunachala, nobody knew his name. Nobody knew who he came from what, from which place. He was a Mauni Swami, Brahmana Swami. These are the things they used to be called in. Later on, they came to know when mother found out. Mother went, Alagammal went to Ramana Maharshi one day. Please, if she ultimately, somebody said there is some Brahmana Swami sitting on mountain, maybe your son go and find out. And they found out and she came to call him home. This man never replied a word. She stood there and climbed the mountain and asked him to come home. Nothing, no word uttered. Mauna. She went back. So that time the people came to know around that time he is called as Venkatraman, named as Venkatraman. So Ramana Venkatraman is become Ramana Maharshi, Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi, named by Kavyakanta Ganapati Muni Shastri. So he is known as Ramanam Etan Namna Prasiddham Soham Maharshehe Sannidhau Prashna Rupa Samshaya Vijñāpane. And then I could go there. I went there, Sannidhau, Maharshehe Sannidhau. I went to the Sannidhi, proximity at the feet of the Maharshi. Prasna Rupa Samshaya Vijñāpane. I wanted to request and put forth my doubts for clarification. Prashna Rupa Samshaya Vijñāpane Labdha Praveshoham Durlabha Jnana Siddhaye Sutavanasmi. For what? Why did you ask? Because to get the knowledge which is Durlabham. Durlabha Jnana Siddhi. It is to get knowledge is absolutely difficult. Oh, so difficult it is to gain knowledge. Unless with grace of the Guru is there. So, Durlabha Jnana Siddhaye Stutavanasmi. First I praised. I offered my prayer to Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi. Stuti. So, Guru Stuti is very important. You pray. Not that when you praise Guru will become Batura and give you what you want. और क्या फूलेगा? वो तो ऑलरेडी इनफाइनाइट है. इनफाइनाइट कैनॉट फूल नहीं सकते. इनफाइनाइट और क्या फूलेगा? ये ऑलरेडी फुला हुआ है. फुला हुआ माने इंग्लिश में फुल. Such a great Guru, infinity already. What is that? So, by your tarif, no. Then what is the secret of prayer? The secret of prayer, remember carefully, when we do stuti of Bhagavan, stuti of Guru, when we do stuti of any Mahatma, any God, expression of the reality, we are willing to imbibe those qualities in us. We try to absorb those qualities into us by praising heartfully others. By my acceptance, by my praise, the Guru, by praising my Guru, I imbibe those qualities. So he gives us. That is why stuti. And stuti is also another important thing, so that to tune ourselves to the essence of the Guru, Tattva. गुरु तत्व को पहुंचने से पहले गुरु की आकृति की स्तुति करनी चाहिए, गुरु का गुणगान भी गाना चाहिए. So these actually pave the way to reach the essence of the Guru, Tattva. Krishna Tattva is different from Krishna Rupam. So Tattvataha yo vijanati, Bhagavan Krishna said in Gita. One who knows me in essence. Such people are rare, he said. In essence. So when I pray to Guru or God, stuti, mysteriously I try to absorb those qualities in it. in me. And then I become fit enough. That is what shifting the gear from, a great master has said, from my form body to the truth body. Truth body is only body used there. Actually to the truth. From my form to the truth. You must discover me, he said. Form is visible. Qualities also can be sensed. Essence has to be real. So this is the gateway. Stuti is the gateway. Because when I praise someone, my hankara goes down. I am surrendering my ego. When I praise the infinite Lord, infinite Guru, जिसके सामने मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूं, तो मेरा अहंकार खत्म ही हो जाता है. That is why stuti. So stutavan asmi. I offered my prayer to Ramana Maharaj. Beautiful, isn't it? Think about it. How wonderful. Atha dvadashabihi slokaihi swagurum granthakrit stauti. Now the Granthakrit, the author of the commentary, Granthakrit stauti. Kavyagana Muni stauti. Ganapati Muni says, now, what is that now? He says, Tvayeva Paramanishta Tvayeva Vishadamatihi Ambasamiva Varashihi Vijnananam Tamaspadam Tvayeva Paramanishta Tvayeva Vishadamatihi Ambasamiva Varashihi Vijnananam Tamaspadam. Now, Tvayeva Parama Uttama Nishtha Nischala Stitihi. See, in you alone, everything is in abundance. My nishtha also is in you only. Tatha Vishadam Nirmalam Matihi Nissangatvat Shuddha Buddhihi. Now my Vishadam means entered. Tatha Vishadam Nirmala Matihi Nissangatvat Shuddha. My buddhi also completely entered into you. Mind also surrendered unto you. Bhakti is a Nischala Bhakti Tvayeva. My entire faith, devotion, love, everything is unto you. Okay? Then, how? Ambasamiva Varashihi Vijnananam Tamaspadam. Ambasam Varashihi Varam Rashihi Sagarahiva Tvam Vijnanam Aspadam Sanam Bhavati. Like the ocean is the repository of all the waters of all the rivers in the world. What is the ocean? All the nadis go and merge in him. So it's a source of all rivers. Source means unto where all the rivers merge. Repository. Think. So repository of all knowledge is Ramana Maharshi. So it's a samasta ज्ञान का आधार ज्ञान स्वरूप ज्ञान सागर आप ही हो. Any yoga you take, any jnana, so sthanam bhavasi, aspadam sthanam bhavasi. You are the place for the total knowledge that exists in the universe. Jnana swarupa, jnana ka adhara jnana swarupa. All kinds of knowledge emerge into you. Think. Tvayeva Paramanishta, Tvayeva Vishadamatihi, Ambasamiva Vara. So my buddhi entered into you. My nishtha, abundance also is in you. Like all oceans go and merge in the ocean, when all the rivers go emerge into the ocean. Similarly, I also surrendered. Beautiful. Then, Tvam tu saptadashe varshe balya eva mahayashaha labdhavanasi vijnanam yoginamapi durlabham. Tvam tu saptadashe varshe balya eva mahayashaha labdhavanasi vijnanam yoginamapi durlabham. And such a jnanam, शुद्ध ज्ञान स्वरूप दक्षिणामूर्ति शुद्ध ज्ञान ही एक रूप होता है. शुद्ध ज्ञान एक मूर्ति है. The Ramana Maharshi also शुद्ध ज्ञान स्वरूप. And which year? Balya eva mahayashaha. You are at the very young age of 16 years, you completed 16, entered into 17, you have realized the ultimate truth. You got, say, great fame and name. Well, that is mahayashaha. Prutula kirti Bhagavan. Prutula kirti means a great, mahan kirti. A great kirti, a great name. And because at that age to realize the truth, that do not complete avoidance in it. Balya eva mahayashaha prutula kirte bhagavan tvam saptadashe varshe shodashe purne saptadashe prachalati. As 16 years are over, 17th entered, he got an experience that I am not the body, I am the pure existence. In Madurai, that place is there where Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi has felt that I am dying. So he put a mat. Who is lying? He lie down there. That room also is there. If you want to go to Madurai, you can visit that room. Next to the temple only. Just go and sit there. That room also is there. He put a lie down here. He put a mat. And who is this death? What is this death? Then he stopped his breath also. Who is this body? Who is this dying? No fear. Then he realized that even without the body, mind and everything, I exist. Oh, this is me. That experience he got when he was very, 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 very young. Pujya Guruji always jokes, always means whenever he remembers this, that Ramana Maharshi जो किया है हम भी कर सकते हैं. हम भी पूछ सकते हैं कि मैं कौन हूँ. हम भी एक चटाई लेके रख सकते हैं. जीवन पर चटाई भी डाल देंगे, सो भी लेंगे, सो जाएंगे, लेटेंगे और मैं कौन हूँ पूछते नींद में चले जाएंगे. हमको भी ब्रह्मानुभूति हो जाएगी. Up to that we can do. Beyond that we cannot do. So therefore, tvam saptadashe varshe shodashe purne saptadashe prachalati yoginam api durlabham. It is extremely difficult for Mahayogis also to attain this state of self-abidance completely. Chandya Maharaj, 1400 years he lived, Mahayogi, but not realized the truth. So many siddhis he got. Chandya Maharaj. He used to complete mastery over Prakriti. He used to ride on tiger. जंगल में टाइगर जा रहा है, बुला लेता है. You should tame the tiger and sit on the tiger and ride. 1400 years, but not known the truth. So when you, Muktinath, Sopana, then Niruktinath, Mukti, and then Gyaneshwar Maharaj and Muktabai, all the three brothers and sisters were sitting. He they were told that there is a Mahayogi, Chandeva, 1400 years. He heard about Jnaneshwar Maharaj. He's a young boy, Jnaneshwar Maharaj, small bacche, charo, no father, no mother. They used to live in Alandi. There, so they were all sitting on the small parapet wall, the four. गांव में ऐसे होता है ना, वहाँ बार बैठो, मुंह धो लेना अच्छे से. लोटा पानी रखा है, सब धो रहे थे. कोई आगे बोला, ज्ञानेश्वर, ये चांगदेव महाराज आपसे मिलने आए. Because he heard about ज्ञानेश्वर's greatness. बहुत देखना चाहता है, बच्चा क्या बालक है, क्या योगी है, मैं भी देखना चाहता हूँ. तो he was riding on the shares, tiger, to meet him. ये दोनों चारों बच्चे बैठे. ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज बोला, अरे महात्मा जी आ रहे हैं, स्वागत करना है. दीवार को आज्ञा दिया कि तुम आगे बढ़ो. So दीवार started moving. The wall started moving towards Changdev Maharaj to invite him. स्वागत, युद्ध चक्कर आ गया उनको. He said, I have mastered only a जीवी, a life, an animal which is alive. You have mastered the प्रकृति को चेतन बना दिया. That time, all that, then Muktabai डांटती है. Lakshmi Avatar, she was about 80-year-old. डांटती है, ये क्या है, 1400 years you lived. ये घड़ा थोड़ा कच्चा भी है, तो जाके सुधर जाओ. This is not the truth. This is all nonsense. That is Mahalakshmi Krupa, Lakshmi Avatar. Because of Divine Mother's grace, this Changdev Maharaj went and attained the truth, realized completely. This man, yoginam api durlabham. Yogi may become a yogi. You may become a siddha. Yogi means in the sense of siddhis, powers. You may go up to samadhi avastha. But come back again. We saw already in the previous chapters. So therefore, bahu samvatsara nirvartya yoga sadhana sampannanam api dushprava. Those yogis who are having practiced for many years of practice, for them also durlabham, this jnana sthiti. To abide in one's own self is extremely difficult for those who have done sadhana for many years together. Durlabham api dushprapam. Sampannanam dushprapam vijnanam atmaswarupa jnanam labdhavanasi. That atmaswarupa jnanam, you got it. So it has nothing to do with how many shastras you read, how many books you, theories you read, how much you banged your head into scriptures. It is nothing, because all these are all obstacles. That's it. More you read, we don't know how to digest that knowledge and apply that knowledge. So mind more get disturbed. We don't know how to contain that knowledge. Is it truth? कोई रामायण सुना रहा था तो आपको भागवत पढ़ना है, आपको भागवत आ गया है तो आता है, तो भागवत का कोई स्कंद का कोई अंश याद आ जाता है. योर माइंड कैनॉट फोकस. गीता सुनते समय रामायण की याद आ जाती है आपको, श्रोता बनकर बैठे हैं ना आप. तो माइंड इज चित्तवृत्ति निरोध विल नॉट टेक प्लेस. माइंड कैनॉट बी पीसफुल. चंचलम मन कृष्ण तमादि बलवत्रुणम तस्याहम निग्रहम मन्ये वायुरो सुदुष्करम. Same thing. It just can't keep quiet. So, but here in the case of Bhagavan, such a great abidance, self-abidance, nishtha, that is never came out of it. It is very difficult that you got labdhavanasi. Atayeva bhalyayeva ayam jnanavan abhutiti prutulo yasha. Therefore, while in the very young age itself, you became such a mahajnani. Like Ashtavakra. Self-abidance. और नचिकेता got at a young age that knowledge. He asked Yamaraj, आत्मज्ञान बताओ. Don't talk to me about ये स्वर्ग, वहाँ पे देव कन्याएं मिलती है, म्यूजिक बाजा बजायंत्री, तव इव वाहे तव नृत्य गीते. Keep your own dancers, music instruments with you. Teach me Atmajnanam. Who am I? Lucky that time Yama was realized Mahatma. Not every Yama is Atmajnana. Maybe Mahayogis, Maha-powerful. You may not like the example, but I will tell you. All the great master may be realized. But all the disciples do not understand him as he is. All are not realized. Think. We are with him, but we don't know him. And we think we know him. That is another illusion. For here it says very clearly, Jnanavan abhut iti pratula yashaha sampachyata. You have attained great fame. Great fame means such a great yasha. What is greatest? Abidance. What else you need? Nothing is required. Okay? Sarve drushya yame bhavaha यस्य छायामयास्तवः तस्य ते भगवन्निष्ठाम् को नु वर्णयितुं क्षमः. सर्वे दृश्या इमे भावाः यस्य छायामयास्तवः तस्य ते भगवन्निष्ठाम् को नु वर्णयितुं क्षमः. इस कीर्तन है गुरु ऋषि की स्तुति हो रही है. कपाल शास्त्री says, सर्वे दृश्याः हे भगवन् यस्य तव सर्वे सर्व इमे पुरस्कृताः दृश्याः भावाः पदार्थाः छायामयाः छायामयत्वेन न तु वस्तुतया अवस्थिताः. हे भगवान, see, यस्य तव सर्वे इमे पुरा, आपके जो सामने, whatever is in front of you, the entire jagat of names and forms, drushyāha, bhāvāha, drushya padartha. Drushya padartha means all that which is seen, visible, meaning all the objects, padarthas. Everything, whatever is in. Drushya padarthaha, bhāvāha, chāyāmayaha, chāyāmatratva. They are only like appearing like a shadow. They are like Puja Gurudev. One day he was sitting in Siddhabari. Open. That time it was open. So stage was there, but then he was sitting down. He was just quiet and calm and looking at beautiful snow-capped mountains of Dhauladhar ranges in Himachal Pradesh. Siddhabari Ashram. Beautiful looking. Those days it used to be very beautiful. Siddhabari. Now also beautiful, but it was very only ashrams on the mountain. So one day Gurudev, all people were sitting. Gurudev just looked at all peak mountains. Somebody may be talking, beautiful place, beautiful scenery, calm, quiet, all that. Maybe somebody must be talking. Gurudev heard and he said, we are all sitting under illusory mountains of Himalayas. यस्य दृश्याः भावाः पदार्थाः छायामात्रमेव. For whom all drishya padartha is only, Gurudev writes in commentary of Upanishad, This, for a realized master, this entire Jagat appears as a smoky substance. It is no substance in it, no chaya. So chaya matra. There is nothing concrete. It's all like Gandharva Nagar, clouds, forms, they form, they dissolve. Like a hazy. It has no satta of its own. So it's all changing, passing clouds, like constantly moving and changing their shape, size. Dekhte, you can show the child a horse in the sky, in the clouds. See the horse where, sorry beta, it has become bull now. Oh my dear, it has become elephant now. Sorry. Before the child recognizing where is elephant gone, something else has come. That is the worldly forms and names. So that moment, that's why Pratiti Kala, Vedanta Shastra mein kehte hain, Pratik, this world is only appearing to you, only at the time of your perception. It exists, appears to be existing, not existing. Because you are seeing it. Because you are seeing it, it is appearing. In the meditation or in the deep sleep state or in samadhi, there is no Jagat at all. Everything disappears. So therefore, for whom this entire world is chaya matram, for you it doesn't exist at all, hey Bhagavan. See, nato vastutaya avasthitaha. There is no, in essence they don't exist. For us everything exists, except Bhagavan. For Mahatmas, he alone, the existence alone, there, nothing exists. Tasyate nishta konuvarnayutam kshamaha. Who is capable of explaining your state, your abidance, the state of your abidance? Tasyate sthitaha nishta. That is their your nishta. That is your abidance. Where there is nothing else is seen. Konuvarnayutam kshamaha. Who can indeed is capable of describing your state? Hey Ramana. Who can describe your state? Hey Bhagavan, na kopi prabhu vaktum, na kopi prabhu vaktum ityartaha. Nobody is capable of explaining that state in which you are rooted, in which you are in abidance, abiding or abided. That is you, hey Bhagavan. So therefore, majjatam ghora samsare vyaprutanam itastataha dukkham mahattitirshunam tvameka paramagatihi majjatam gora samsare vyaprutanamitasthataha dukkham mahattitirshunam tvameka paramagatihi. Ghora samsare, ghore bhayankare samsare janana marana chakratmake majjatam gadam pravishtanam itastataha sarvatah avashatah vyaprutanam chalatam jananam bhatdukkam titirshonam tvameka paramagatihi sharanyosi tan prati tava uddharakata sampattehe. Now, ghora samsare, ghore bhayankare samsare. This is what? Ghora samsara, terrible. And bhayankar, fearful, scary. Scary. Samsara, that which is constantly subjected to change. Nothing is real, nothing is permanent. Everything is appearing. Jig 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 jig. Gurudev said, jig 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 jagati iti jagat. Why jagati? Jig 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 jig. That's it. There is no stability at all. There is no stability. My mind changes, my buddhi changes, my body is changing, my thoughts are changing, my ideas are changing, emotions are changing, goals are changing, perceptions are changing, understanding is changing. Everything is changing. And objects also are changing. Situations are changing. People are changing. I am also changing. Same way, say, बहुत traffic बढ़ रहा है. But you are also in that, no? You don't think that you are there. You exclude, as though you are a Mahatma. You are also contributing to the traffic, no? Oh, bhayankar samsara hai. Where are you? You are also samsara for many people. Swami, pati bachche बहुत भयंकर है. Ask him, husband. Then they say, patni bachche maha bhayankar hai. You added only one bhayankar. He said two bhayankars, double. You will forget that. So, the greatest, I am good and everybody is bad. Everybody is samsara for me. First of all, there is no samsara other than you. You yourself, it is your samsara you created. Are we living in the Ishvara Srishti? Vidyaraman says, no, we are not living in the God's creation. We are living in our own creation. We don't live, we never lived it. First of all, we don't know what it is. We don't know what it is, divine creation. We only live in our creation. And we complain to God. Why did you, ये दुनिया क्यों बनाई आपने? भगवान कहते हैं भाई जिस दुनिया को मैंने बनाई है ना उसमें रहो तेरे को आनंद ही आनंद मिलता है तो अपने दुनिया बनाया अपनी दुनिया बना के उसमें रहने लगे हो फिर मेरे को मानने से डांट रहे हो कि मैंने सृष्टि की भाई योर क्रिएशन इज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इट्स संसार and it's a ghora samsara because nothing is predictable, nothing is stagnant or stationary, and scary because change. What scares us? What causes fear in us? Change. There is no other reason for fear. Change causes fear. What is getting old? Fear. Every change is causing us doubt and fear. And we want to be fearless. How to be fearless? Stop the change. That is our policy. What is Mahatma's policy? First of all, what is changing is mithya jagat, I am not that. So therefore, there is no scare. If it is something real, you should be afraid. Why should you be afraid of shadow, which is not there? Oh, my children may die, my husband may die, my wife may die, my parents may die, I am scared. Why should you scared? Scared. I'm scared of losing him or her. You will. Your fear has nothing to do with the fact. What is the fact? Somebody will go first. So pain, fear, ambitions, insistences, plural, I'm using, there or not, I don't know English word. Insistence. Hindi में कहते दुराग्रह. So दुराग्रही मत बनो. That is samsare, janana maranatmake, and this is the full of. Not only the body birth and body death, that is not only life and death that way. Moment to moment we are taking a new. What do you call tada, drashtu, swarup, itaratra, what is that? Otherwise, what is happening? Whatever the thought forms are there, you take that that shape. Think. You become object, you become that, you become this, whatever you see, you become that. Tadakruti. Vrittisarupyam yataratra. There are only two states. Either the mind is completely free from all thoughts and completely merged and you abide in your own self, or the mind is existing and whatever objects are perceived, you become that. Vrittisarupyam yataratra. So your mind is continues taking form and you become that. So therefore, here what is said now? Janna Marana. Every moment a new idea is born, the death and born, birth and death and birth and death and birth. Every moment it is happening. And that is samsara, change. And that we are, because of that alone we are suffering. Kshane rushtaha, kshane tushtaha, rushtaha, tushtaha, kshane kshane. Think. Shokasthana sahasrani, bhayasthana shatani cha, divase divase modham avishanti ratu panditam. Shokasthana sahasrani, thousands of places of sorrow in every day you come across. Bhayasthana shatani cha, sources of fear, causing fear, hundreds of them are there around you. Divase divase, day by day, modham avishanti, they enter a murkha purusha. मूर्ख को ये उड़ा उठा के सबको सताते दोनों. That is shoka and bhaya. These two attack a murkha, an ignorant man, every day, thousands of times. बार बार कहते हाँ मर गया, हाँ मैं मर गया. हाँ अगर कहाँ मरते तो पापी है, पापी चिरायु. हाँ मर गया, हाँ मर गई मैं, मर गई. कहाँ मरी मैं, उठो. इतना आसान नहीं है. आई होप यू डाई, बट नॉट हैपनिंग. You don't have to take it, it's happening automatically. Mind takes that shape. So, what is that now happening? Divase modam avishanti. Not to panditam. Pandita is not worried. He goes through all this change. He is stable inside. Therefore he says, then majjatam, in this one who is completely drowned, ghadam pravishtanam, deeply entered and caught up, not a surface level. You know, नदी के अंदर घुस गया, फिर अंदर तो कीचड़ है, उसके अंदर फंस गया. प्रविष्टानाम इतस्ततः सर्वतः अवशतः helplessly व्यापृतानाम चलताम, कवि मज्जताम चलताम जनानाम. Helplessly the samsara is taken care, is driven by the floods, the currents of samsara. The person is taken, given a free ride. कभी इधर ले जाता है संसार, कभी उधर ले जाता है उसको. Well, happily another wave will come, push you to the other side, then again this side, again this side. That is itastataha. Itastataha here and there. Itastataha sarvataha avashataha helpless. व्हाट इज इट? गुरु जी कहते थे क्या संयम क्या नहीं है, कंट्रोल के बाद बात करते हो, यू कैनॉट, चीख को भी रोक नहीं सकते आप, छींक रोक के देखो बोलते गुरु, एक चीख को रोक के देखो, ना बंद किया मुंह से निकल जाता है. व्हाट इज दैट वी कैन कंट्रोल? सो अवस्थिताः सॉरी व्यापृतानां चलतां जनानां महत् दुःखम तितीर्षूणम. इस तरह के जो संसार, ग्रेट सॉरो, द वन दोज हू वांट टू कम आउट ऑफ दिस भयंकर संसार, फॉर देम त्वमेका परमा गतिः. यू आर अलोन इज द ग्रेटेस्ट रेफ्यूज. लकी यू आर स्कंद अवतार, Subramanya Avatara, in flesh and blood in front of us. Tameka Parama Sharanyosi, we came under, we surrender unto you, Tan Prati, Tava Uddharakata Sampattehe. We are now actually waiting for you to lift us, to liberate us, awaiting for your own grace and kindness, to lift us from this ocean of samsara and make us also abide in our own self. That's a prayer. Pashyami devadattena jnanena tvam muhurmuhu brahmanyanam varam brahmana Subramanyam narakrutim Pashyami devadattena jnanena tvam muhurmuhu brahmanyanam varam brahman Subramanyam narakrutim. E Brahman, Brahmaswarupin, E Brahman, O Brahmaswarupa, you are not the Brahmaswarupa, the nature of Brahman alone, you are pure Brahman. Tvam Brahmanyanam, Brahmajnanavatam, Sreshta, Param Sreshta. You are the best among the knowers of Brahman. It means what? Brahmavit, Brahmavittara, Brahmavidvarenya, all the states are there. You are among them the best, meaning one who is rooted as self and never comes out of it. Tamil Maharshi, abidance. Tapan Maharaj also. Tapan Maharaj doesn't, Prarabdha did not make him popular. Ramana Maharshi, Prarabdha made him popular. Tapan Maharaj. That's it. Nothing, there is no thought, no mind. Pure existence he was. So, Tvam Brahmanyanam Brahmajnanavatam Varam Sreshtam Subramanyam means Skandam. Sakshat Skanda Subramanya Shanmukha Muruga Ityadi. Narakritim in the form of human being. Manavakarataya avasthitam pashyami. I am seeing you, that's Subramanya Swami, in the form of a human being. Evam darshanasya kim sadhanam? What is that? What, if you have got this darshan, what sadhana you need? What is the means to attain this kind of sadhana? Aha, it is said, Devadattena jnanena Ishvara anugrahita divya chakshusha iti bhavaha. It is only because of the divya chakshu given by Ishvara I am able to recognize this Mahatma as none other than Skanda Avatara. So Ishvara told me he is none other than Skanda. My son only born. Natvam Swami Giro Natha Natvam Kshanika Parvate नत्वं वेङ्कटशैलाग्रे शोणाद्रावसि वस्तुतः नत्वं स्वामिगिरो नाथ नत्वं क्षणिकपर्वते नत्वं वेङ्कटशैलाग्रे शोणाद्रावसि वस्तुतः. He said, where are you? Because there are Subramanya Kshetras in Tamil Nadu. Very famous. Tiruchendur, one, Tiruttani, Palani, then Kanchi, there is one another Subramanya Swami. Like 5 temples are there. They are very powerful kshetras of Skanda, Kartikeya in Tamil Nadu. So in Tamil Nadu, their god is only Murugan. So this is a very powerful god. So they are very powerful. So he says, you are not in those places. You are right now here in front of me. He says, Swamigiri, Palani Malay. Swamigiri, Palani. Palani is a beautiful place. Palanigiri is Chola Mandalastaha. Chola Mandala is area. Chola Raja, kings and all that king ruled. So Chola Mandalastaha, that Palani there. Now, in that Palani, you are there? No, you are not there. You vacated that. Kshanika Parvataha, Shantigiri. Kshanika Parvata is Shantigiri, other name for it. Shantigiri Aparanamakaha, Kanchi Mandalastaha. In the Kanchi Mandala Kshetra. Kshanika Giri is nothing but Tiruttani, near Tirupati. Tiruttani. Six places are there. One in Madurai also. 6 places are there. All the 6 I went. One I did not see. I think I completed all 6. Very beautiful, powerful places. Shanmukha pilgrim centers. People make yatra also. So there, that is Shantigiri Aparanamakaha Kanchi Mandalastaha Tiruttinike iti bhashayam prasiddha. It is so Tiruttani is on Shantigiri, Kshanika Parvata, otherwise called as Shantigiri, which is in Kanchi Mandalastaha, Kanchi Mandala, nearby Kanchi Kshetra, Kanchi Mandala, Kanchi Kshetra, south of Tirupati. Between Tirupati and Chennai you can go. Tiruttani. I also went there a couple of times. So Tiruttani is another beauty. And in Madurai also. 2 are there in Madurai. So, Swamigiri Chola Mandalastaha, Kshanika Parvataha, Shantigiri Aparanamakaha, Kanchi Mandalastaha, Tiruttanike iti bhashayam prasiddha. Then another one, Venkata Shailaha, Dravidanam Uttara Sima. It is above northern side of Chennai, Venkata Shaila, Venkata Tirupati, you can say. There will be that Paramadev, this one. Yeshu Kshetreshu Yo Devaha Subramanya Bhaktanugrahanartham Avirbhutaha Aradhyate Saha Asmakam Na Viditaha Na Prachakshaha Ihatu Sayeva Tam Adhuna Jnanakaraha Arunachale Asmakam Prachaksho Vijayasa Iti Bhavaha. Yesha Kshetreshu Yo Devaha. In all these Kshetras, the God is presiding God. One who is the God? Subramanya Swami. Bhaktanugrahanartham Avirbhutaha Aradhyate Sa Asmakam Na Viditaha Na Prachakshaha. All those, the Paramatma, this Skanda in all these temples, we all don't know about him. Na Prachaksha for us. He is not Prachaksha for us. You go to temple, you see, but he is not Prachaksha for us. Right? Na Asmakam Na Viditaha, we don't know him also. Kaun hai, pata nahi. Where we can Palanigiri, Swamigiri, Tiruttani, Namaskar karke, and we don't know him. Na Prachaksha for us. Ihato. But here, Sayeva Pam Adhuna Narakaraha Arunachale Asmakam Prachaksho Vijayasa iti bhava. Here you are right now, you are there in front of us in physical form. Same Skanda. What else we need? That is why Ramana Maharshi asked, if you see, a lot of peacocks are there. It is Vahan, no? So many peacocks in Ramanachal Ashram. How many of you went there? So many peacocks. On the mountain also there are so many places where Ramana Maharshi used to do tapas. Mango Creek, Mango Tree Cave, Virupaksha Guha, then Skanda Ashram. And some people go up to the top of the mountain also. There the Shiva's feet are there. A mysterious place, Arunachalam. So, then the other, Yato Saha Eva Tamaduna Dara. Here where Aha means Arunachalam, Shona, Adri means mountain. See, Shona Adri, Shona Adrau Asi. Shona means red. Adri, Adrau on the mountain. Red mountain. Why? Aruna. Shona means red. What is the name of that? Arunachala. So red, blazing. Aruna indicates knowledge, fire, so many things. Agni Tattva, Agni Lingam is there. Agni Lingam. There are no Vayu Lingam, Panchalingas are there, Panchatattva Lingas. Vayu Lingam, Agni Lingam, Varuna Lingam, Jambukeshwar, Varuna Lingam, I think. The 5 places are there. Kalahasti is one place. So the Panchatattva's depicting one day Chidambara, Akasha Tattva. Vayu is, I think, Sri Kalahasti. Agni is Tiruvannamalai. Like that, Panchakshetra, Tattva Kshetras are there. So Agni Tattva is Arunachalam. So, Shona Adravasi, you are on the mountain of Arunachala. And in front of us, happily, in the form. We don't know about other God and all that. Like Gopikas used to say, no, we don't know who the Krishna is, but he is our darling, that's it. वो भगवान हो सकता है, ब्रह्मन हो सकता है, हमें क्या फर्क पड़ता है? That kind of a bhav. We don't know what he is our God, his friend, Pratyaksha is available to us. That feeling. Bhoma Vidyam Paranatha Naradaya Maharshaye Bhavan Shushrushamanaya Rahasyam Upadishtavan Bhoma Vidyam Puranatha Naradaya Maharshaye Bhavan Shushrushamanaya Rahasyam Upadishtavan. Now in Chandogya Upanishad, Bhuma Vidya will come. Bhuma Vidya, 7th chapter of Chandogya. There it was Sanat Kumara taught to Narada Maharshi. Bhuma Vidya. So beautiful mantras are there. Yo vai bhuma tat sukham na pe sukhamasmi bhuma iva spakam bhuma iva vijigatsitavya iti Vijignyasitavya iti mantra. Bhuma Vidya. What is that Bhuma? That which is infinite. Ya Bhuma Tat Sukham. Bhuma means infinity. That what is infinite, that is alone Sukham. Bhuma. Ya vai Bhuma Tat Sukham. Na Alpe Sukham asti. There is no Sukham in Alpa Vastu. Every Bhoga is Alpam only. Anything other than Brahmanubhuti, you will not get permanent happiness. It will ultimately give you pain and sorrow only, because Sukham comes while experiencing the joy. I am scared that it will end. After the joy ends, the sorrow again begins. That I lost it. Then I wanted to gain that happiness, therefore I try again. In the very attempt itself, there is sorrow, fear of I may not get it. Even if I get it, the quality goes down. क्या चक्कर है? So therefore, he says, Chandogya Stuti Pratipalita Bhuma Vidya Shuddhakasha Vidya Shuddhakasha Vidya. That Pratipalitam, what was said, declared or taught in Chandogya Upanishad under the name of Bhuma Vidya, it is Chidakasha Vidya, Shuddhakasha Vidya. It is Akasha Vidya. What is Bhuma? That Anantam. So Brahma is Akashavat Sarvavyaptam. Like space it is. Space is Jada, but space is pervaded by Brahman. Space is infinite. It is effect. But the cause pervades the effect. But effect itself looks like infinite. Akasha. So therefore, the cause pervading the effect, that cause is much subtler, but it is Akasha is Padartha. But the cause of it is Chaitanyamayam. So therefore, Brahman is all pervading. With respect to space, Shuddha Akasha. That Akasha where it is Chidakasha. This is Bhutakasha. But there that Chittakasha, Chitta thoughts world, the space where Chitta exists, and Chidakasha, the pure consciousness. That is Bhuma Vidya. That was taught by whom? Sanat Kumara. To whom? Narada Maharshi. Now, Tam Rasyam Vidyam Naradaya Sanat Kumara Upadidesha iti Narada Sanat Kumara Akhyayika Bhavati. Now, who are you actually? You are Skanda, no? But who is Skanda? Sanat Kumara only. Who is Sanat Kumara? Brahma Manasaputraha. Sanaka, Sanandana, Sanat Kumara, Sanatana. This Sanat Kumara was a teacher. In all Upanishads and Bhagavatam, everywhere you find Sanat Kumara Vacha. He out of 4, 1, anyway, that's enough. The 1 is always teaching us. Okay? So there is Brahma. 4 are there. They are all eternal witnesses of the creation. They are even now they are there. Anybody can invoke them. Not easy to bear their presence. The same Sanat Kumara, born and taught Dhritarashtra also. Because Vidura called. Viduraji's guru is Sanat Kumara. Sanat Sujata means Sanat, that Hiranyagarbha, Sushtu Jataha. From that old ancient Hiranyagarbhat Jataha, Sushtu Jataha. Hiranyagarbhat Sanatanat, Hiranyagarbhat Sushtu Jataha, Sayeva Samat Sujataha. Other name, Sanat Kumara. Sanat Kumara. So Sanat Kumara taught whom? Narada. So he says, Tam Rahasyam Vidyam Narada Sanat Kumara Pradeshaseti. That Vidya, Tam Vidya, that Bhuma Vidya, Tam, that Bhuma Vidya, which you taught to Sanat Kumara taught to Naradaya. That same Vidya, Tatra Skandayeva Sanat Kumara iti Uttam. In that portion of the Chandogya Upanishad, Veda Mantra says that Skanda alone is Sanat Kumara. Ityachakshate. So therefore, Tamasa Param Darshayati Bhagavan Sanat Kumara Tam Skanda Ityachakshate iti. Veda Mantra. Tamasa Param Darshayati Bhagavan Sanat Kumara. Sanat Kumara showed Narada that which is beyond all darkness. Tam Skandam iti achakshate. That Sanat Kumara is called as Skanda. So first Sanat Kumara, later on he took avatar as Skanda. Oh, Sanat Kumara is a Muni. Our Kartikeya is a god. So God must be above Muni. Na. Why? Because these four born were the first born people. Only in the middle, when the creation is running, universe is running, the Tarakasura had come and creating problems. Therefore, Shiva asked Sanat Kumara, be my son, I will empower you. Unless you are born to me and Parvati, then we need you to take avatar. Sanat Kumara said, I don't have any desire, I don't have any desire to create the creation. Zero. Why should I be taken birth unnecessarily again? He said, no, for the Jagat Kalyanartham you have to take birth. Shivadesha. Because Shiva only taught all the four Gurave Sarvalokanam Dakshina Murtaye Namaha Chitram Vatataro Mule Vruddha Sishya Guru Yuva. Vruddha is four people. Guru is always young. Sanakadi Muniski taught. So they accepted. And therefore Kumara Sambhavam is a huge, beautiful grantha written by Kalidas. He explains Kumara Sambhavam. And Kumara Sambhavam, that manifestation on earth took place in the Himalayan regions. It is called Kumaon mountains. That is the region where Kumara Swami was born. Go back to our traditional names, you find all the history of the cosmos. The great master said, myths are not that they are not facts, they are facts. But they are myths because they cannot be proven. By our intelligence. So we should remember only Guru. Guru said, the Kumaon region, Arunachala, this happened, that happened. That's it, that's it. Vyasa Maharshi, you should believe. Purana Karta. Therefore, Kumaon. So whenever I go to that Jageshwar area and all, I remember Kumara Swami, Kumara Sambhavam, that Mahabharata episode also, how he was born, how he did, how he killed Tarakasura. Then again, how he was born as Ramana Maharshi, Sanat Kumara, took birth incarnated as Skanda, and Skanda alone is born as Ramana Maharshi. How he is born, was sent by Shiva again for Jnanam. और भी और सीक्रेट्स है आगे बाद में नेक्स्ट में आएगा. सो भगवान शुश्रूषमाणाय रहस्यम उपदिष्टवान. सो यू ओनली हे भगवान, सर भगवान ने भगवान शुश्रूषमाण, यू ओनली taught Narada who was serving you. Sushrushamanaya Naradaya Bhavan Upadishtavan. You taught this Bhuma Vidya. What is the Bhuma Vidya? Yatra Nanyat Pashyate Nanyat Chranoti Nanyat Vijanati Sa Bhuma. What is Bhuma? Yatra Nanyat Pashyate, where there is nothing other is seen. Nanyat Shranoti, there is nothing other is heard. There is nothing other for it to exist to hear. Nanyat Vijanati, there is nothing exists to know. Sa Bhuma, that is Bhuma. That is called. Anyway, again I wanted to control myself for things. Okay. That is called Brahman. Okay. Therefore, Sa Bhuma, Yatra Anyat Pashyati, Anyat Shrunoti, Anyat Vijanati, Tadalpam. Where we are other, seeing other, knowing other, Tadalpam. So whatever आपके बुद्धि में ग्रहण हुआ, वो सब अल्पम, including knowledge of Vedas. That is called Aparavidya. Mundakopanishad. अपराविद्या में क्या क्या आता है सब कुछ लिस्ट बना दिया. वेद, शास्त्र, पुराण, इतिहास सब कुछ. अय्या फिर क्या है? फिर व्हाट यया तदक्षरम अधिगम्यते. व्हाट इज पराविद्या? That by which aksharam अधिगम्यते, that by which you know that you are Brahman, that alone is Paravidya. Even Vedas also Aparavidya only. Secondary knowledge. Veda only says I am secondary. See the knowledge of our great Rishis. We don't say this book is our God, everything. नहीं, बुक में जो लिखा है पागल है क्या? बुक के बियॉन्ड जो स्वर्ग स्थिति कुछ भी नहीं है सब. All nothing. यो वै भूमा तदमृतम. That which is bhuma, that which is infinite, what is that which is infinite is bhuma tadamrutam, that is immortal. Atha yad alpam tanmatyam, that which is alpam, limited things, tanmatyam, that is subjected to change and death. What is the guarantee that you have not read some other scriptures in previous life? Where is that knowledge now? पढ़े होंगे कुछ ना कुछ किताबें, एबीसीडी तो पढ़े होंगे, ये तो पढ़े होंगे, कुछ तो ज्ञान प्राप्त हुआ होगा. व्यवहारिक ज्ञान का वो ज्ञान कहाँ गया? So nothing is stored. Only the essence, that is you. Very mysterious it is. Therefore, घमंड मत करना. मा कुरु धन जन यौवन गर्वम प्लस ज्ञान गर्वम, शिष्य गर्वम, कीर्ति गर्वम, उम्र गर्वम. मैं 100 साल हो गया, कुछ नहीं होता है, एकदम मरी गए. जो को मेरा बीपी नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, एक घमंड वाले बहुत सुनते रहता हूँ मैं. मेरे को कुछ नहीं होता, मेरे को कुछ नहीं होता. रातों रात मर गया, हार्ट अटैक आ गया. क्या क्या घमंड है? Any meaning in it? Therefore, tamasah param darshayati Bhagavan Sanat Kumara tam skandamiti achakshate. Therefore, Veda Pramana is there that you are, that Sanat Kumara is Skanda. My Guru told, Skanda is Avatara, you are Avatara, there is no doubt about it. Therefore, I came to you. Next sloka from 10th verse we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamada Purnat Purnadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.